Today, once again, I'm coming to you from Man's Restoration here in Festus, Missouri. And I thought you might like a look at this 1959 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. And this is a really nice looking example, so I thought we'd take a closer look at it. You can see it's got a nice chrome bumper up front here, and that very iconic Mercedes grille. A nice tri-star hood ornament up top here, of course. And it is painted in the original gray. And it's riding on the painted steel wheels with full hubcaps and wide whites. And it's been really well kept over the years. You can see all the glass is looking good. Nice chrome mirror. And obviously this is the four-door sedan model. Here we'll take a peek inside. It is up here in the upholstery shop, and that's because you know, it needs a little bit of care here and there. Still looks nice in here, obviously, but he just wants to bring it up to a higher standard. So he's going to be getting the woodwork redone here, a little work on the door panels, I believe new carpet, and a few other things. But as you can see, it still looks pretty nice already. It is actually a red vinyl interior, and it still has the original wheel with the horn hoop on there. And it is a 4-speed manual transmission, but it's on the column. And it has a full set of gauges here. 110 mile per hour speedometer. That's a VDO speedometer. Then you have your temperature, oil pressure, and fuel gauge and everything. You can see your 220 SE badging right there in the center of the dashboard. And there's a clock above that. And I believe I can hear the clock running, so that still works. But nice wood dash in there as well. Yeah, like I said, I mean, it looks nice. He just wants to make it just a bit nicer than it is. And we can probably come back and show it to you again when it's all finished up. Here, we'll take a peek in the back. A lot of room in this car, though. Nice and comfortable, plenty of leg room. And these are extremely well built cars. It is a unibody car, but it has a very strong subframe up front, nice steel subframe. And they're known for their durability. We'll take a peek underneath. Might be a little bit dark, but they do hold up really well. And I believe they typically have a 410 or 411 gears in the rear end, so that definitely helps it off the line. But obviously it's a luxury car. It's just meant to be, you know, cruised in. Nice big chrome bumper back here. Another 220 SE badge right there. But definitely a beautiful car. Alright, I got the hood tipped up here, and as you can see, it's looking very clean under here as well. It's actually powered by a 2.2 liter single overhead cam inline 6. This particular one actually has the mechanical fuel injection because this is the SE model. And I mean, they're not incredibly powerful, but they're you know, around 130 horsepower roughly, but a very smooth running and very reliable engine. And that's why actually you see quite a few of these on the road still today. But it's looking nice and very original under here. You can see it does have split exhaust manifolds though, so it can run dual exhaust. That's pretty cool. And of course they put a nice new battery in here. But anyway guys, I just thought you'd like a quick look at that one. Like I said, we can come back and look at it again once they're finished with it here in the upholstery shop. As always, we do appreciate you watching and commenting and everything, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.